So tell me if I'm the only one that whenever you bring a new car home, the first thing you do is clean it up. It's like you're washing out the old owner and getting it ready for yourself. You get to learn the car, you get to look under the hood real good, you get to check out the body, you comb over the entire interior. This is what really makes it start to feel like your car. And that's all I've done for the last week. I've been cleaning on this thing like crazy. The engine bay has been degrease and soak and degrease and soak and degrease and soak and degrease. Just trying to chase down this oil leak. It made a huge mess of the engine bay, but I think I finally figured out, I believe it's the oil pan gasket that's causing it. So whenever I have the timing belt done, I'll have that fixed as well. So nothing major has happened yet. Mostly just gave it a quick wash. Cleaned up that oil leak like I mentioned, and started on the interior a little bit. Mostly vacuumed it out. It was already in really clean shape whenever I got it. So I didn't have to do a whole lot. I was kind of getting into the nooks and crannies, trying to get some of the door jambs and stuff like that cleaned up. It was looking a whole lot better. The glass I'm going to have to clean up some more. I just kind of did a quick one pass on cleaning up the inside of the glass. All of it was just nasty dirty. Now this car is definitely not without its flaws. It's going to need quite a bit of work to get it, up to where I'd like it to be. There's a lot of little door dings in there that I'm hoping can be paintless dent removal out of there. I gotta admit, the car is in better shape than I expected on whenever I was looking for a project car. So I'm really happy about that. I believe the seats have been reupholstered. They've got real nice fabric on them. Unfortunately, the fabric on the door panel is starting to come off a little bit. It's gonna have to be re-glued or something on there. But the climate control is really nice. Cluster's in really good shape. The seats and the carpet are nice. The trunk area is complete. Well, there's one piece that it is missing, but I believe I don't think I'll have that hard of a time finding that piece. The plastics in the back aren't real scratched up like most of them are. The carpet's still there, the spare tire's still there, the little spare tire cover is still there. The paint's really not even that bad. It shined up pretty good. I'm going to try to do a little buffing on it and see if I can make it a little smoother and shinier, make it pop a little more. But that's where we are today. So this is kind of where it begins. I've already got parts piling up. We'll dig into that in the next video. So If you're not already, click that subscribe button down here and follow along, and check me out next time.